Welcome to the online teaching and learning process at RPM Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Lalpur. Today we are going to read the chapter The Proposal of the book First Flight for Class 10, and it is written by Anton Chekhov. Aims and objectives. The lesson is intended to give you knowledge of English language. At the same time, you get entertained with comical characters and their behavior in the play. It is a Russian play which is translated in English, and the play is about three characters named Lomov, Natalia, and Chubukov. Lomov is a man of 35 who wants to marry his neighbor's daughter Natalia, who is a girl of 25. Chubukov is Natalia's father, and Natalia's father is squeezed between them emotionally. Moreover, we are also going to enjoy the dialogues among them, which create a lot of laughter. Introduction. The Proposal is a one-act play that begins with a young man, Lomov, presenting a marriage proposal to his neighbor's daughter. Before he could actually convey it to the girl, they enter into an argument about Oxen Meadows. Shubukov, the lady's father, also joins the heated discussion. After they end this, they enter into another argument about the dogs and which one is better than the other. In the midst of all this, proposal gets forgotten until Lomov falls off due to his palpitations, and Shubukov instantly puts her daughter's hands in Lomov's. Unfortunately, the quarreling still continues. Key points. So the curtain rises with Lomov entering his neighbor Shubukov's house in neatly dressed up attire, and Shubukov, who is Natalia's father, is in great curiosity to see him well dressed and asks him about the occasion. Lomov reveals that he had come for a desire. Shubukov assumes that he must have come to ask for money, which he doesn't want to return. So after knowing that Lomov had come to invite Shubukov's daughter, Natalia's hand in marriage, Shubukov leaves to call Natalia. So as we have already read that Lomov is a 35 years old gentleman, he suffers from palpitations and he gets upset very easily. He thinks it is the right age for him to marry and is happy that he is choosing Natalia. Why? Because he believes that Natalia is average looking and an honest caretaker of the house. On Natalia's arrival, Lomov initiates the conversation about the cordial terms of both the families. So while continuing to speak about his land, he somehow mentions Oxen Meadows, which earlier was a disputed property but is now his. While continuing to speak about his land, he somehow mentions Oxen Meadows. So Natalia is in the perception that Oxen Meadows belong to her family. Both enter into a heated discussion then and act childishly, and Chubukov's entry made it more heated. They shout and scream while Lomov suffers from extreme palpitation and a numb foot. They throw Lomov out of the house and continue abusing him. While defaming him, Shubukov accidentally reveals that he had a wedding proposal for Natalia, which surprises Natalia, and she certainly regrets sending Lomov out. She tells her father to bring him back, and Shubukov blames himself for being the father of a young daughter. When Lomov returns, Natalia tries to deviate the topic by talking about shooting. Little later, they enter into a debate on their dogs. Natalia strongly believes that her dog named Squeezer is better in comparison to Lomov's guess. They continue arguing when Shubukov enters the scene only to form things worse again. Everyone gets hyper and Lomov finally falls because of palpitations. Even then, the cursing continues when suddenly Natalia notices that he's unconscious, and as they find him unable to drink water, declare him dead. After a while, Lomov moves a bit. They give him some water to drink, and Shubukov forcefully hands over Natalia's hands to him, gives his blessings, and asks them to kiss. After regaining his senses, he expresses his excitement and kisses Natalia's hands. Natalia again keeps convincing him that Squeezer is better than Guess, but Lomov, being adamant, refuses to accept this, and the quarreling continues. So, the conclusion is that this drama or the play displays the greed of rich families to marry their children into other wealthy families with the aim of enhancing their wealth, not out of emotions or sentiments. So, here are two value based questions. I hope you may answer these questions. Question number one here is based on your understanding of the play, the proposal. How do you think good relationships can be maintained? Why, in today's time, we see so many people going away from each other? Question number two. Neighbors must have a cordial relationship, which Lumov and Natalia do not have. So, describe the first fight between them. They both are very important questions, and as they are value based questions, so you have to give real life examples also. So I hope this play is clear to you and you'll be able to answer these questions. Thank you.